Okay, students, let us do the last question of this chapter, which is again one of the important question. And the question is that there is a circle whose center is O, PA and PB are tangents to the circle, and we have to prove that AOBP is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we will solve this question, but first of all, students, do you know what is a cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral. If in a quadrilateral the sum of opposite angles is 180-degree, then we say that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. How? Cyclic quadrilateral क्या होता है? If sum of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 180-degree, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. ऐसे क्वाड्रिलेटरल के चारों वर्टिसेस किसी ना किसी सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस पे होते हैं. Therefore we say that is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, in order to prove that this is a cyclic quadrilateral, we have to prove this is first angle and suppose this is second angle. This is one side of opposite angles. We will have to prove that angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180-degree, and in addition to it, also the second side of opposite angle is 3 and 4. And also we have to prove that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180-degree. So here to prove is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180-degree, and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180-degree. So let us now prove it with the help of our theorem. Again, tangent from outer point, radius is perpendicular to tangent at point of contact. So OA is perpendicular to PA at A, and OB is perpendicular to BP. OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to 90-degree and angle 1 is equal to 90-degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 plus 90-degree is equal to 180-degree. So in this way we have proved that one side of opposite angles, the sum of one side of opposite angles is 180-degree. Now in addition to it, we have to prove that the second side of opposite angle is also of 180-degree. How? We know that according to angle sum property of a quadrilateral, the sum of all four internal angles of quadrilateral is 360-degree. Where internal angles are 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360-degree. Why? Angle sum property. Now angle 1 plus 2 is of 180-degree. Why? From equation 1. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 minus 180 is equal to 180 degree. So in this way we have proved that sum of opposite angles of this quadrilateral is 180 degree. Therefore from 1 and 2 AOBP is a cyclic quadrilateral. So in this way students, we have completed chapter number 10. We have done NCERT questions and some more approximate 10 extra questions which are important from examination point of view. So revise these questions properly and prepare well for this chapter.